Hey everybody, Low-Def Mode here. Today I want to talk about an upgrade I made to the MovieCart game box. The original game box that the MovieCart shipped with was this one here, which is great and all, but it was a little bit smaller than a standard Atari game box. So they've since been redesigned, and now they're a full 5.5 by 7.5 by 1 inch. So I'll be making these available with new purchases of MovieCarts. But for the many of you out there who originally bought a MovieCart with no packaging, this will be an option as an upgrade kit. So in the upgrade kit, you'll be getting a few things. A retro style instruction card, the game box insert, and just a card where you can get more information that points you to the website. So let's start with the game insert. This strange looking piece of cardboard actually folds quite quickly. So just follow the crease lines and fold it in like this. These little tabs on the ends. Sometimes it works out better if you fold it along a table edge, but I think this should be fine for this demo. Fold in all the little tabs, flip it around, fold in these inside areas. Okay. So now that we have our folds done, we need to tape it together. You'll need just a few pieces of tape for this. First, a couple pieces of tape on the bottom. Keep everything nice and square. And then tape these top pieces. These have 3 folds each, but you can get them all in one piece of tape if you're careful. They should line up square if you do it right. So maybe if I do it upside down, I can get them better. Keep everything nice and square. There we go. Same with the other side. Press everything flat against the table. Apply one piece of tape here. Right. And now this last strange looking piece, there's one more fold on it actually. It just tapes to the bottom. I'll just put that here. Okay, so when you're done, the game insert should look like this. The cartridge will sit in here, and there's these recess pieces which you can grab the cartridge from. Make sure everything's nice and square, and we'll put that aside for a moment. Next is the game box itself. This one comes pre-attached. There's no taping, but you have to carefully refold it into shape. There are crease lines, so just take your time. Make sure you hit all those fold marks. Keep it nice and flat. First time it's pretty stiff, but then it gets pretty easy after that. Don't close it up yet, but just fold all the pieces you'll be using. Take your time. Sometimes I find folding backwards helps you find the original crease. Some folding these back. Some go. Back once and then forward. Okay, so before you close it up, take the game insert box you created and slide it in through the top. Make sure it's pushed all the way to the bottom. You should see it flush with the bottom. And once that's in, you can now close the bottom lid. Almost got it. There. And now it should be ready. So you can take your existing movie cart and put it into that spot there. And you can take your movie instructions and you can slide it in front of the movie cart. Make sure the instruction card is tucked down deep enough so it doesn't run into the lid. Just one little tip I want to add. If you have your movie box all closed up, these tuck boxes tend to be a little finicky when you open them. So if you want to keep your movie box in pristine condition, what I do is I just slip a butter knife in there to just pry open the edges. And that keeps everything from tearing or bending. So there you go. After a while, these become loose enough that you won't need a butter knife, but if you're like me and you like to keep it in perfect condition, just pop open the edge with the butter knife from each end. And there you go. A MovieCart game box that's ready to be placed high on your shelf for everyone to enjoy. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.